Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of array in C programming and it is part 13. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss bound checking in array in C programming. So in this lecture we are going to learn what happens if we use out of bound array indexing in C language. So let's understand first what is index out of bounds. So guys, suppose we have an array of size 5, then array indexing will be from 0 to 4 and we can access elements from index 0 to 4. But if we use index which is greater than 4, then it will be called index out of bounds. So if we use an array index that is out of bound, then compiler will probably compile and even run, but there is no guarantee to get the correct result. So in programming there is no bound checking to see if the subscript used for an array exceeds the size of the array. So data entered with subscript exceeding the array size will simply be placed in memory outside the array, probably on the top of the other data or on the program itself. And this will lead to unpredictable results and it is called undefined behavior. So there will be no error message to warn you that you are going beyond the array size. So programmer need to take care of this situation. So now guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program we will learn the concept of index out of bounds. So I have declared one dimensional array A of size 5 and I am assigning 5 values to this array A statically, and now I am going to access the element at index 6. So guys, now if I run this program, it will give you 344. And guys, now if I want to access the element at index, let's say 7, and now run this program, so it is and now it is giving 0. So basically I am getting unpredictable values. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.